Create a loopback network adapter. Press Windows T jar. Enter CMD. Then, enter the command in the command bar with. Press Enter. Select Network Adapter from the list. Select Microsoft. Then select Microsoft Key and Test Loopback Adapter. Create Control Panel shortcut on desktop. Step 1. Open the Windows 11 Settings app. Navigate to Personalization greater than themes page. Step 2. In the related settings page, click the desktop icon settings link to open the same. Step 3. Here, select the Control Panel checkbox and then click the Apply button to immediately add the Control Panel icon to your Windows 11 desktop. In Control Panel greater than Network and Internet greater than Network connections, on the Microsoft Key and Test Loopback Adapter, set the IP address. To clarify here, for software like the Pens or M2 after setting the IP, you need to save and then restart the software for the IP to take effect.